Hello students, today we will talk about formal and informal invitations. So let us first start with formal invitations. Main characteristics are: a formal invitation is normally a single sentence presentation in third person. Single sentence like Mr. and Mrs. Sharma cordially invite you on the auspicious occasion of their daughter's marriage, right? So it is a single sentence presentation in third person. Formal invitation are generally printed invitation cards. We use them to invite guests on some special occasions like birthdays, weddings, inauguration of shops, houses, etc. The invitation answers the question who, whom, when, where, what time, for what, that is the occasion, name of the invitee, name of the host, date, time, and venue. The other details include name, designation, and address of the organizer, sponsor, or host, or the name of the chief guest or special invitees. These all points you have to take care while you are writing an official invitation. So printed formal invitation don't include the name of the addressee. Invitations to VIP to preside over a function do carry the name of the VIP prominently. So it is if it is some family function like wedding, inauguration, birthdays, there we do not write the name of the invitee, right? But in case of official invitation, it is to be take care that we have to mention the name of the VIP, and the word limit for formal invitation or informal invitation is 50 words as per CBSE guidelines. So here next you see it is a sample of formal invitation. It is wedding invitation. Mr. and Mrs. K.S. Bhardwaj, you see third person presentation here, and you will see it is going in single sentence. Mr. and Mrs. K.S. Bhardwaj request the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of the marriage of their daughter Nivedita with Akhilesh, son of Mr. and Mrs. S.M. Joshi of Nainital, on Friday, the 25th May 2021 at Hotel Kunal, New Delhi. Program Friday, the 25th May 2020, and the details schedule is mentioned, that is reception, dinner, and wedding. So timings are mentioned specific, and also RSVP is mentioned. Compliments are closing. The invitation is closed with compliments from the relatives and friends. Informal invitation. Now formal invitation, so basically we print cards and invite the guest, but in informal invitation follow the pattern of ordinary personal letters. So here we simply write personal letters to invite the friends. These letters are written to relatives, friends, and acquaintances. So close friends, relatives, we just send them letter for invitation. Nowadays, so it is smartphones are available, so we simply send the WhatsApp message, or we give them a call, and it is done. But if it is in case of writing, so how we can do informal invitation is written in the form of personal letters. These letters are first or second person presentations. Formal invitation were third person presentation, but informal invitations are first and second person presentation. Personal feelings, emotions find an expression here. The writer's address is given in the usual place. The salutation is usually dear plus name. The date of writing is given. The style and tone are relaxed and informal. Different tenses are used as the sense demands. And we close the letter by yours sincerely. So this is how we write informal invitation in the form of personal letter. Here is one sample question where Ankit Verma has to invite his friend from Malaysia staying in the hostel, inviting him to join Diwali celebrations with your family at your residence. So you see, address is written, then date is written, dear Suru Naik. So dear plus name, as mentioned in the details, main characteristics of informal invitation, that we can write salutation with dear and name. You know that Diwali, the festival of lights, is approaching. It gives me great pleasure to invite you to Diwali celebrations at my residence. We shall have great fun. Do join us for the puja and Diwali celebrations. Yours sincerely, Ankit Verma. So this is a personal letter where you are inviting your friend for Diwali celebration. Thank you. Have a nice day.